Hi everyone, planning your next European adventure? Denmark, known as the happiest country in the world, is a must-visit destination with its warm people, quality of life, beautiful cities, and stunning nature. However, for certain nationalities, you'll need a Denmark tourist visa, also known as the Denmark Schengen visa. And in this video, we'll break down the requirements, application process, and essential details for a confident visa application. Welcome to iVisa's YouTube channel, where we're all about making travel hassle-free and also straightforward. We simplify the visa and travel document application process worldwide, with over a decade of experience assisting travelers like you. Remember, when traveling to Europe, you must apply for a visa to the country of your main destination, that is, the Schengen country where you will spend most of your days. If you spend an equal amount of time in 2 or more countries, you must apply for a visa to the country of your first entry into the Schengen area. If Denmark is this country, then this video is for you. So what can you do with the Denmark visitor visa? Well, you can visit the country for tourism, visit friends or family, attend work meetings or conferences. And what can't you do with the Denmark visitor visa? Well, you can't work, study, or stay for longer than 90 days in a 180-day period of time. There are 2 types of Denmark Schengen visas. The single entry visa, which allows you to visit the whole Schengen area in one single trip. But remember, this one that will not allow you to exit the Schengen area and is issued for a specific amount of days. The other type is the multiple entry visa, which allows you to travel in and out of the Schengen area. Now let's dive into the usual requirements. So you'll need to fill out an online application form, link on the description, with accurate, up-to-date information. Also provide a passport photo that measures 35mm by 45mm, and this photo should bear a close resemblance to your current appearance, and you should be facing the camera directly. Also possess a valid passport, so it must be valid for at least 3 months after your planned departure date. Moreover, it must have been issued within the past 10 years, and also must have at least 2 blank pages. And then also obtain travel insurance covering medical expenses of at least 30,000 euros. Then show proof of accommodation, funds, job status, itinerary, and flight bookings. Be prepared for possible additional documentation requests during the review. And here's an important tip. Ensure your information convinces immigration authorities that you'll leave the Schengen region once your visa expires. Now that you know the required documents, where do you start the process? Well, you have 2 options. Apply on your own, and we'll guide you through this video, or apply with iVisa.com. You can apply to your Denmark Schengen visa with us if you want expert guidance, increased approval chances, and to keep your peace of mind throughout the whole process. We can assist with our 10+ years of experience and 98% visa approval rates. Click the link below to begin your application with us. If you still want to apply by yourself, here's how. Register at the online visa application system. We'll leave a link in the description, and once you register, they'll send you an activation link to your email address to activate your new user profile. Fill in the application, and when you're logged in, click on the individual application or group application if you are traveling in a group. You can apply up to 6 months before your trip, and your data is saved from step to step, so you can log out and also continue later. Pay the visa fee at the end of the application form, and the amount will show in Danish kroner, and it is approximately 598 Danish kroner for the standard fee. And the following cards are accepted: Visa, Dankort, MasterCard, and JCB. Then print and sign a cover letter, and the cover letter is generated at the end of the registration of the application, and you can print it from there, and you must sign it in 2 places. Then make an appointment. When applying online, you'll be asked to select a visa application center for your appointment, where you will hand in your signed cover letter and also give over supporting documents, passport, and you have your biometrics captured. They may ask you some questions here for which you'll need to be prepared for, and that's it. Then you'll be ready to pick up your passport. So what happens after your application? Well, if approved, you'll receive your passport with a visa sticker. Verify the details and be prepared to show some documentation upon arrival in Denmark. If refused, you'll receive a refusal letter with your passport explaining the reason and also guidance on how to appeal. Are you wondering if you're eligible to apply from your home country? Here's a list of all the nationalities that can apply for a Denmark Schengen visa. Just pause the video if you need a little more time to find yours. They're in alphabetical order. If your country is not on this list, it is most likely that your country is part of the visa waiver program with the Schengen space, so you can transit freely for a short period of time. And that's it for today's video. We hope you have a fantastic trip to Denmark. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below or contact us through our website. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends who may be interested in traveling to Denmark. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos that will help you get your travel documentation hassle-free. Thank you for watching and happy travels.